Hey, what's up all you business owners? Today's video is going to be about the basics of an income statement. Because if you don't know your numbers, you don't know your business. So let's get started. Alright, so when looking at an income statement, first up top we have income/revenue. Call it whichever. Okay, here you want to break it up into different revenue streams. So let's say you're a retailer and you have website and retail sales. So those would be two perfect things to break it up into. Or a restaurant. A restaurant could break it up between restaurant sales versus the bar sales. Or you could break it up into the different parts of the menu. All right, you could get as detailed as you would like. All right, then below that we have cost of goods sold. And cost of goods sold are expenses that go directly into providing your service or product. So a manufacturer, right? The person directly on the line putting together the product would be the cost of goods sold for the labor, and then those parts to put the product together would be the direct cost of that product as well. All right, so then below that we have gross profit. And gross profit is simply your net income minus your net cost of goods sold equals your gross profit. All right, so then below that we have admin/operating costs, and these things are like, for example, they are advertising, right? Salaries for accountants, your marketing people, dues and subscriptions, your website costs, licensing and fees, things of that nature are going to be in the operating section. All right, and then below that we have other income, other expenses, and this is interest income, interest expense, taxes, things of that nature go there. And then you have net profit, right? So how much did you end up actually making that month, that quarter, that year, whatever. All right, so then that is simply your gross profit minus your operating costs minus your other income, other expenses gets you to your net profit. Again, like I mentioned, this is a very simple, basic video. The next videos will get more analytical, right? Month over month, month over year, percentage of revenue, things of that nature. But I just wanted to start with the basics. So thank you very much. Keep hustling. See you next time.